In this video, I'll show you how you can remove tags included on your Shopify product page. So if you want to remove this from your Shopify store, then this is the video you don't want to miss because I'll show you right now how you can do that. So go into the backend of your Shopify store, and then in the bottom left corner, you'll find settings. You want to click on settings, and then when you're here, you can scroll down, and then once again, bottom left corner, you'll find taxes. So click on that. Once you click on taxes, you'll find different tax regions. If you scroll down even further, you'll also find tax calculations. And then right there, you'll find show all prices with tax included. So all you need to do is click right there to disable it. Then click on save, top right corner, and that's it. So from now on, it's not going to show this anymore. So that's exactly how you can remove tax included on your Shopify store. If this quick tutorial helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. I would appreciate it if you can subscribe as well. I'm trying to build the best and biggest how-to channel on YouTube. So make sure you go do that. I would appreciate that. And then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.